So here is this new app, CGX, by Girvan. So she is a YouTube influencer, fitness trainer, and now she also released a CGX fitness app called Girvan Experience. That's by the recent X. It's available from today on iOS and also on Android Google Play Store. So yeah, this is basically the app where you can find her workouts similar as you have on YouTube, but here you just have everything more structured, and you just have clear schedule and clear workout program. So just a quick glance into this app to help you navigate here. So here is the app. You can easily create your account with Apple ID or Google ID or email, and then you just basically have calendar. And then you can just create your own program and just add like your like your ultimate beginner program, which you can add here. For example, there are two types of programs at the moment in the app. There is a beginner and there is a more advanced program. Beginner is 6 weeks, advanced is 10 weeks, and then you can just basically start a workout, like select a start date, and it will just schedule workouts for you over the next 6 weeks. You can see some more description, which equipment you need, some comments from users who participated in it. But unfortunately, to access workouts in this app and programs, you will need to upgrade. And basically, to access any content in this app, you will need to upgrade. Everything is gated under subscription. So, but yeah, if you upgrade, then you will just have access to the programs, workouts, meal ideas. You can download and watch offline, save favorite schedule, and track with CGX calendar. And also you can select your own music, no music, or choose caroling during workouts. And then the price for subscription is $99.99 per year, or monthly $12.99 per month, 14-day free trial. So that's what you can have here. And then you can see your stats getting from the health app. Then you can add some workouts to your favorites. And then it's not only workouts, there is the whole library. So there is all types of content. There is like articles, programs, specific workouts, just, daily workouts. Then there are progress tests. Then there is how to do different exercises. Then there are some meal ideas, just different meals which you can try. Then there are articles, different articles which you're gonna read, but everything is hidden under subscription. So this app, you just require subscription for you to use this app properly. In some apps you can have some content for free, some other is paid. Here everything is paid. But you see the price is not that expensive, so it's feasible at $100 per year. If you really like her YouTube videos and if you're a fan, that's like a decent price for the fitness app. And how many fitness apps you're gonna have? Of course, there are a lot, but probably it's just better to choose one and follow all the workouts from one app. So then you just have your account. You can just add your name, username. Then you can just add your profile picture, first, last name, username, your data. You can see a workout history. You can see some stats. Just add it. Change password. You can also select the privacy of profile and make it a hidden profile if you don't want other people to see it. And also you can just delete your account. This action is irreversible, and then you can just log out. So yeah, it's like pretty easy to use app, greatly designed. I think it's a nicely done app. So give it a try.